Many drafters found it hard to determine the sectional view of the house. Lack of the understanding of the relationship between the arrow of the cutting plane line and the direction of view the house might be one of the probable reasons. Today, I would like to share with you the purpose of the cutting plane line in the process of determining the sectional view of the house to be drawn. Stick to the end and you will learn more to gain confidence in doing your task in an easy way. Often, there are two cutting plane lines drawn in the floor plan. As shown, the cutting plane lines are A and B. These are commonly referred to as the cutting plane line for section AA and BB. For this presentation, let us focus on the cutting plane line BB. It is the line pointed out by the red arrow. The main purpose of the cutting plane line is to show the exact location of the cutting plane. The cutting plane is an imaginary plane used to cut the object at a certain point as a reference in drawing the sectional view. The two arrows at the end of the cutting plane line point to the direction of viewing. The parts of the house where the arrows are pointing shall be the features of the house to be drawn in the sectional drawing. As shown, the arrow is towards the prayer room and bedroom too. So, the features of the house to be drawn in the sectional drawing are the parts of the house mentioned. If it is a two-story house, it will be applicable from the foundation to the apex or the uppermost part of the house. Furthermore, let us bear in mind that, based on the samples, the placement of the cutting plane line is identical or in the same position in the ground floor and second floor. Now, I believe you have an affirmation of your ideas about the positioning of the cutting plane line in the floor plan and how its position affects the presentation drawing of the section of the house.